This is a garage car counter. How it works is this stop button has to be on so that current can go through it. And then once you push the start button, it energizes this coil, which then energizes this contact, which switches both of these from normally on to off and normally off to on, which allows this jump label to energize the reset. Now this is just the main routine. That's the main routine. This is the subroutine, which allows the whole magic of the system to work. How it works is when a car enters, this sensor goes on and it counts a car. And if we push that a couple more times, you can see that it keeps going up. It goes to a preset value of 150 cars. When you push the exit switch, it takes out cars. Now this keeps going until it gets to the accumulated value, and we'll just type in 149 for scale. And you'll see once one more car goes in, this lights up and lets us know that the lot is full and that no more cars can enter. Retrospectively, if we take out a car, light goes off. Then you push the restart button. Then the value resets. This allows for, if it's closing, you just reset it and whatnot. How we had it set up, this is in 500, so it was a little different than 5,000. You have these two right here. We added a, if you click on this, should just be an add thing. You can add another ladder of logic, which allows for a subroutine. We had to use this right down here to address some symbols, like the label. You have to do that by yourself to label it Q2, which is exclusively for labels. And that's the whole system.